Good evening, everybody. It's Friday. I'm currently in the forest. I've just got here and it's dark. It was, I was planning to be here in the light, but got a little bit held up. So I'm arriving in the dark and I have to set up in the dark. I'm going to spend a night camping. Buddy John is meeting me here later. He's going to camp too. And Rob Wild Camper is here somewhere, but he's not staying. He's just popping in for a hello and maybe something to eat. But yeah, John's bringing half a venison with him that he's butchered himself. I need to source a pole from a bungalow, or a pair of poles, and if John's going to be late, I might see if I can find a couple for him as well. But yeah, nice to be out in the woods in the dark, stumbling around. Yeah, all good. Right, I'm going to get set up. I need to focus on what I'm doing really, so I'll catch you when it's done. These are sharp, right? That's it. As promises. This time of night I might go twice. Sorry, Dan, I feel. Okay, introductions.
Oh.
The man, the myth.
Hello.
Mr. Wild Camper.
Hello. Hello and welcome.
Are you camping tonight?
I'm not camping tonight. I'm just here for the dinner. And yeah, I've got to go. I can't see. I've got so many torches in my face. Oh gosh. No, I'm just here for a few hours with my friends and then I've got to make a swift exit.
When are your friends turning up?
I don't know. I'm here with a couple of workers at the moment. You can beep that out. You can.
Oh,
hello,
too
Jonathan.
Easy. I don't know what.
That's better.
Hello, Dan.
That's the end of that.
That'll do.
How are you? You alright?
Oh, yeah, living the dream.
Living the dream. Out in the woods with two men.
Oh, ho, ho. Sounds more like a nightmare.
Alright, tell us about dinner.
We haven't had it yet.
I'm hungry.
Dan's going to cook it in a minute.
What am I cooking?
We've got venison fillet.
Why have we got venison fillet?
Because I butchered a whole deer.
He's such a man.
We'll insert some photos.
Will we? You
Right.
send me some and I'll get restricted on my video.
Not those photos.
Oh, right, okay.
And we're cooking it in there, which is a cast iron pot full of ash, balanced on a trivet made by
It's a Woodlaw trivet.
the personal hand of Ray Mears.
Well, I think it's made on his behalf.
Still filming.
Carry on.
Yeah, so gonna have venison fillets with, geez, that's bright, with wild mushroom sauce. So I've got some wild mushrooms, I've got some brandy and cream, and then we're gonna have a disco. So yeah, stick around for that. Food will be lovely.
Or not.
Yeah, or food will be ruined.
That's all, folks.
Right, I'm turning off because I'm going to drink a beer and I can't see because these. Nice. Oh, it's a beast.
So you got the 2 mini fillets there and then the...
Yeah. Do you know what? Cut it into 3.
Makes sense, doesn't it? 1 each. Wow, John, that's amazing.
Okay. So you've done this in your own rub, John, haven't you?
Yeah.
Like a porcini mushroom
Yeah.
rub?
Yeah.
Nice.
Not some batten up there.
Let's take the ash out. The ash out, dogs.
Shout out. What are those little bits that went in with oil?
Garlic.
Oh, I smell it. Beautiful.
One worth rotating.
Yeah. You cook it yourself if you want.
Or beat it.
Okay, that's looking fabulous, isn't it? We're almost ready to eat. So I'm going to add some cream to that.
Spent.
And let that cook down for a couple of minutes while we cut up said, whatever it is, Bambi.
It is a fallow deer.
Which half for your board do you want, John?
You got a choice of 5.
Have that silky bread knife. Thanks, Rob.
Pleasure.
Why don't I treat us equally
Yeah.
and go,
Third off each.
look at that.
Done that before.
You've been to sea before. Juice in the pan. And little mini fillets.
Perfect. use that wooden thing.
Yeah.
Use that wooden thing. Just put it on there.
Like the video.
Yeah.
Back at you something new.
Let's get this out of the tray, and then he goes nice. And there's a bit to put on now because that's what people want, isn't it?
That was good.
I don't know who that is, but.
Stick a flag in it.
I had some stuff I use on the bumpers of the van called Oterwall, something. It's like a little tub that size. It's like 50 quid. It's awesome. You don't clean cars, but you know, like back to, you know, Back to Black on the bumpers. God. There's no point. Look at the roof of his car tomorrow morning. You'll know what I'm talking
He's
about.
insulting me, John. I take pride in my car.
God, if your roof is green like that, it's disgusting.
It's an eco car. It's a living
No,
roof.
I haven't cleaned that Kia for a month, right, and it looks new compared to your car. It's filthy, it's disgusting. Be ashamed of it.
In my defence, right?
You've got no defence. Your car is disgusting.
When I bought that car,
You could shave the top of that car.
it's moss. It's a living roof. It looks nice. It's green.
It's environmental.
It doesn't. It looks like it's
makes
gone
it
mouldy.
more aerodynamic. No, to be fair, when I bought that car,
I will be fair.
I thought,
It's a disgrace.
I'm going to clean it. I'm going to keep it clean. I sent you a picture, didn't I?
You did when you bought it, yeah.
2 weeks in, going, look, I'm washing my car, Rob. Then there was a hose pipe ban,
Oh, that was it.
and you're not allowed to wash your car. And I obey the
You could
law.
do it, you just put it in the dishwasher.
But do you know, I took it for a compulsory service on electric cars. Have
Is
to
it?
have it done every year at a main dealer.
Do you?
Yeah, it's 120 quid. It's not much.
And they look at it and go, yeah, that's
They
alright.
check everything, and I took it to Nissan in the town near me, and they said, oh, yeah, it's 120 quid. Thanks very much. And they said, yeah, it's out front, and I couldn't find it.
Because they cleaned it.
They validated it, and it was literally right outside the door. And I stood next to it, going,
Where's my moss?
"Where's my car?" And it was like
Where's
a
my
brand new
living
car
room?
outside the front door, and they'd done the inside and out.
That's what people do when they clean their cars down.
Really?
I remember my the first car that I bought myself. I bought it from the fire brigade in Eastbourne.
It's a fire engine.
It was a red.
One of the-
Well, a very good morning, everybody. It's 9:45. Been awake for 45 minutes or so, just lounging in my bag, enjoying the autumn colours and the rain. But the rain has sort of eased off, so we take this opportunity to go outside and get a fire going and get some coffee. Yeah, slept really well. Many hours. Gee, we've got the fire quite close to us here, and so just putting away my sleeping pad and sleeping bag because the wood here is quite spitty. I'm having trouble getting my sleeping bag in. But yes, it was a good night. Now, I think I'm ready for a bit of breakfast. top of my tent. Got bombed by chestnuts last night a couple of times. Yeah. All these must have dropped out the tree because several times in the night there was a poof, and then obviously they've rolled down the back. Right, let's have a wee. Look at colours, very autumnal. Okay, fire time. I used this last night. Doesn't really smell of anything, but it's fire rope from. I think I've got.
Twine.
Yeah, jute twine that's been soaked in.
Got that sort of musty village hall sort of smell.
Morning, John.
A bit like a second-hand shop.
John's describing it. Describe it again, John.
So it's got something. It is that musty kind of village hall, second-hand shop sort of damp jute twine sort of smell.
That's just me.
Is it? Oh, that's what's rubbed off on it.
Yeah. So yes, morning, Mr. John.
Good
Say
morning. Hi. Looking radiant, no doubt.
hi. Yep. Yeah. You sleep all right?
Yeah, very well. The rain on plastic is just an age-old sound, isn't it?
Yep. So I didn't hear it. I had an audio book in. Yes, so we're going to concentrate on what we're doing because it's a bit moist. We did last night sensibly save a bit of dry wood, so it should be easy enough. But we're just going to get this fire alight and get some coffee on and wake up a bit. Hate to break it to you.
Foxy. I've got a lighter. We should cut to that.
No,
No, we'll do it properly.
I blame myself. I wasn't quick enough.
I blame you as well. So I'm about 3 seconds.
There you go. I'll just stuff it in there.
Crevice. There we go.
We be burning, burning. That's what I'm on about, the bombing. You put it out again? She's alive. It's alive.
I don't think I've quite had enough smoke in my lungs.
Yeah, that is true.
If we just put that wet wood on there.
Maybe. Should we?
Evacuate.
Should we take the awnings down if it's sort of stopped raining? Let
Yeah.
the smoke get out while it can.
Yeah.
It's a bit.
Well, it's largely filled my tent.
It is a bit tiresome. Just leave them hanging. Good to go.
Super nice.
Aye. Oh, that's right. Breakfast of champions, John.
Oh, that bread is going to be amazing.
Help maintain a healthy body. Oh, yeah. Tastes like very good fried bread. There's a hint of butter. Worth it. Okay, we're on our way out. Clean and tidy where we were camping, left no trace. Fire's all tidied. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, John, for bringing half a deer with you.
Bring an old deer.
That was really nice. We ate like kings on this one. So, yeah, I'm gonna go home now and have a fruit salad. Thank you very much. If you thumbs up the video if you feel like it. If not, that's fine too. See you soon. Bye, John.
Bye, Dan.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.
Look after yourselves.
And each other.